Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Arutani Nat Collins Oyu nyerega kuruta mukana akiuga Arutani mahota gukangathiria kurora na kumaka igeranio cia mwaka uyu kugiaga mwerekera mukinyaniru waririe marihi maya makamakinyira thutha wa marihi ma igeranio cia mwaka muhituku gucerithirio na hakuhi mwaka umwe. Igeranio ici gitanywo kwambiriria mweri-ini wa 10 na 11. Kamiti ya mbunge igie githomo riu nirite ministry ya KIGINA itheme gukuruhania aria mafataire kumaka igeranio ici angikorwo ndigite keheri-ini KIGINA gia kumariha.
The PMF Act is very clear. You don't procure when you have no money. So we are asking the government, you know very well that we have 2 million scripts to be marked. It will be marked by 500,000 teachers or 100,000 teachers. Make sure we have the money and make sure this money is ready.
They have also been very open about why our teachers, after marking, they are on the streets going for payment, asking for payments, which is delayed. It's just because when it comes to treasury, and which we want to make clear to the treasury that it has to fund NEC the way it funds TSC.
Ona gutwika ministry ya githomo nirega kuga ministry ya KIGINA ni yarekereirie shiringi bilioni 2 cia kuriha arutani aya. Muikariri gite wa kamiti ino Julius augite miaka iguka ni megutigirira mbeca ici ni cirerekagiririo ihinda riria riagirire.
The examiners will actually have to be given a first priority. Immediately they clear the marking, in a record not more than 2 months, they be paid. Because they have done a duty, and it is against the PFM Act for the government to procure the services of an examiner without having resources.
We want to ask Treasury that actually they give the release money, examination money, as per the numbers of the candidates who will sit for exams, so as to pay our teachers effectively as per the budget they have for marking.
Kamiti ino yaritie na ANDIKI MOHORO thutha wa kugia na gikaro na utongoria wa KANJU ya IGERANIO NEC mamwe ma maria mangi maririirio ari gwetha kihonia kia uria arutwo arwaru na airitu aria marikia kwiyohora megwikarira igeranio ciao hatari mitangiko.
We further discussed about the students who are sick, those who are the young girls who might have delivered. We really discussed and said that we need to come up with a better policy. You can't get exams to a sick person in hospital. You can't get an exam to somebody who has delivered. We are now discussing with them what are the remedies for this and look on a recourse to do supplementary exams in the future.
Letwekonia anania mathukuru kungathia kurekereria certificate kuri aruto aria matarikitie kuriha marihi ma fithi nowe yumiririe. Meli akiuga ni megutigirira KANJU ya NEC ni arekereria notithi ya mukana kuri mathukuru maya.
TSC certificates belong to NEC. And it belongs because it is the government who pays. It does not belong to the school. So we've agreed that they issue a circular to all principals, to all schools, that no certificate should be withheld in any institution.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.